Two dead after generational flooding hits from Texas to Michigan. Massive storm systems kill at least 32 Americans. A wildfire becomes one of the largest in history as it engulfs the Grand Canyon. Hurricane Helene leaves over 250 people dead throughout the Southeast. These are the type of headlines that I've grown up with. Headlines that show people struggling. Their lives have been destroyed by these disasters. As I watched the news with my parents, I felt such a sense of dread and loss. I knew that something had to change. My name is Gloria Stark, and I have a passion for taking action to create a sustainable world, because every action we take, big or small, can make a difference. Sustainability is the future of our world, and we must work to create change. And this change starts with us, all of us. By protecting the climate, we are not only protecting the beautiful earth around us, but also our health and way of life. Climate change is affecting our lives here and now. Through countless natural disasters, homes, jobs, and lives are destroyed due to the increase in severity of these disasters. I remember asking myself, how can we change the future and steer our world towards a positive change? For many years, this question went unanswered. However, I believe that the first step to protecting our planet is to bring lessons into the place where learning happens, our schools. In school, we learn equations, chemical formulas, and sentence structure. But how will these skills aid us in the future if our planet loses the beauty of life? We are taught how to interact with each other, but not with the earth that we depend on for our way of life. Every day, the news reports on problems in our world directly related to climate change, whether that be rising global temperatures, larger forest fires, stronger hurricanes, or higher sea levels. Despite these global challenges, there are ways in which we can help our planet, and it starts in our schools. It starts by integrating sustainability into the classroom. At my high school, we have taken action to curb the waste we produce. Through recycling and t-shirt bag making, we limit both the plastic and textile waste in our landfills. In addition to our waste reduction projects, we are currently creating a pollinator garden/outdoor learning space. Every one of these actions leads to one goal, a sustainable future. If every one of us in this room takes small steps, it will have a larger and even global impact. I believe that by integrating sustainability into each school district, we will make a difference not only in our schools, but in our community. Schools can and should be the center for change. However, change does not require a district or even school-wide organization. Join a sustainability club, start recycling, organize a garden, reuse, reduce, and recycle. Refuse single-use plastic. Let's make our headlines about the actions our schools are taking to curb global warming. Let's make our headlines about the change we are doing in our community. If these actions and lessons are integrated into schools, it will help to create a cleaner, greener future. As students graduate, they will take these skills and this mindset and apply it to their everyday lives. Just one person switching from throwing an item away to recycling makes a difference. Through passion, determination, and care, we are all able to make a difference. Change doesn't require a title. It starts with us. All of us. Together, we can change the world to create a brighter, cleaner future. Thank you.